Welcome back to Finance for Beginners. Today's video will show you how you can install the Remitly application on your smartphone to start transferring money easily. So let's get started right away. Open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then from the homepage tap on the search option. Now just type in Remitly to begin your search, and you will then see the Remitly application that says Receive Money with Remitly. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can check the application details as well as the reviews that have been left by users. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the app. Just wait until the process is completed, and you may also enable the auto open toggle, which will automatically launch the application when the installation is done. After the application is installed and opened, you may proceed with creating your new account or log into your existing one to start sending and receiving money. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Remitly application on your smartphone. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.